Alright guys, I have a 2005 379. This is going to be a private sale, so if somebody's interested in a pre-emissions truck, this one might be a good option. Some of these trucks are just a little too old for us to be able to purchase and resell. So I'm going to flash this gentleman's name up. It's for Stevens Trucking in Southern Colorado, Fowler, Colorado. And this thing has about 922,000 miles on it. It's got a C15 Acert. I'm not 100% sure what the horsepower is. New radiator, new clutch, new fifth wheel. Mostly just cosmetic. This would be an awesome project truck. It's got 23-gallon tanks on it. Now this one is sporting Peterbilt Air Leaf suspension. Mainly just surface rust on the frame, but it's been painted. Now with the Air Leaf suspension, it does set a little bit higher, but this one has a brand new F35 pinned fifth wheel on it. So if you want to run in dump, it's all set up for PTO, hydraulic tank. .24 tall rubber. This one does not have full lockers on it. Drum brakes. Looks like the pad wear is pretty good. Gonna need some paint up top. Some little crinks in this fender. You could probably buff out the paint a little bit, but it is going to need some paint work. I'm told it doesn't have more than 2,500 miles on the rebuild. Still has the twin turbo set up on it. Brand new steer tires. This truck was just over 17,000 pounds off the floor. See if she has any check engine lights. Clutch feels good. 18 speed. Nothing too special in the sleeper. There you have it. Give him a call if you're interested.